I finished this book and I thought it was really, really, really interesting. So this is called the Blue Zones Longevity Cookbook. Discover the secrets of lifelong wellness with authentic recipes to live 100 years and beyond. So I was really fascinated by the idea of it. So what blue zones are they're regions around the world to where people are living longer. They have a longer lifespan, usually over 100 years old. So I love this book. I thought it was really, really great. It's a great read. It's easy to get through. You don't have a whole lot of pages. I love that it's in color. That's probably one of my favorite things. So you can see here that it gives you information on what the regions are. There's 5 regions total, but it gives you information over here on what that region specifically is eating. Are they eating more whole grains? Are they eating more dairy? And then you also have recipes. And again, this is all in color, but it walks you through exactly what you need to prepare it, how long it takes to prepare, serving size, and then you have everything you want in here. I also like that it has QR codes throughout, so you can actually scan that to get more information, and it gives you a video of putting together that recipe. So it's just fantastic. I thought it was really, really fascinating to go through the different regions and just see the differences between how, a region here in the US might eat compared to somebody like over in Greece, etc. But really, really fascinating. It's a beautiful book. And again, a very easy read. It's pretty short, but definitely something you want to keep on hand if you want to make some of these recipes and hopefully have a longer life.